Traffic congestion continues to be a major problem. When you're stuck in traffic and the temperature is very hot, it is hard to think clearly when your AC is not working. Well, guess what? I've had my share and I've learned my lessons. Thanks to Andrew's Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Company Limited for the best automobile air conditioning repairs and services in little time at a very affordable rate. Now I drive in absolute comfort wherever I go. Take my advice.
Call Andrew's Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Company Limited today at 456-5977.
Finally, some cool breeze.